When the Shang Dynasty rose to power in ancient times, Yi Ji was in charge during the Shang Dynasty. When the Zhou Dynasty rose to power, Liu Ya was in charge during the Shang Dynasty. Therefore, a wise ruler and skilled general who can use intelligence as a means will surely achieve great success. This is the essence of military strategy, upon which the three armies rely to move forward. Just like in ancient times, where strategic military leadership played a crucial role in the success of kingdoms and empires, it continues to be just as important in modern times. A leader who can think ahead, anticipate their enemies' moves, and make calculated decisions is essential for victory on the battlefield. So, remember, military success is not just about strength and numbers, but strategy and leadership. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on military history and leadership.